Hello and welcome. I am the Danish Looter, and today I'll open Legion of Collectors. Even though I'm not the biggest fan of the DC line and series or whatever, I can't help but subscribe to this box just because of the exclusive Funko Pop figures. Yeah, it's quite an addiction. But anyways, this is the July box of Legions of Collectors, and the theme is Suicide Squad. Suicide Squad, I actually didn't know who or what it was before the whole thing about the movie coming up and all that. So I've never heard of any of the characters and figures, well, except for Joker and Gwen and those guys. But all the other figures, I have no clue on who is. So bear with me with this box if we're going to stumble upon some of those characters. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna open this up, and there you go, and there you go. And we're gonna start off. Oh, there we go. We got some art. And it's not from the comic book. It looks very much like this is from the movie. Okay. Ooh. Just gonna see how much room I got there. So there we go. There. And starting off with the pin. Would you please? Throw that out, and yep, don't know who that is, but it says down at the bottom that is Deadshot. Deadshot right there, and I need to clip and clean my nails. Sorry about that. Deadshot pin. Hi, Deadshot pin. There we go, and the patch. Throw that out. It is. Yep. Kind of cool patch though. Suicide Squad. And it says Katana. Don't know if that's the name of one of the characters or if it's just like it has like the blade of a katana running through it, but Legions of Collectors, it says down at the bottom, and Suicide Squad at the top. Alright, let's check out what's in the box. And we have something on top right here. It is a small action figure of the Joker. Suicide Squad, the Joker, 3/4 inch, fully poseable action figure. And he got the tattoos and everything. As you can see right there. So that is, that's weird. Are these Funko? They are Funko. So I guess Funko is starting a action figure line. I haven't seen action figures from Funko before, so yeah. Alright. Oh, I didn't just realize it's a big bomb in the background. Anyways. Next up. Oh, there's another one. Oh, would you? Anyways. Harley Quinn with a baseball bat. And says Suicide Squad Harley Quinn. 3/4 win, fully posable action figure. And there she is with the baseball bat. Good night. So they seem quite legit, and there's quite a bit of details on these fairly small figures, so that's cool. I wonder if there's only these two in the series. Normally you can see on the back how many there are on the series, but there's nothing on these besides manufacturer and a warning label, so yes. I'm gonna put it like that because they don't want to stand up. And next up we have what feels like a Funko Pop, and we have a t-shirt. We're gonna take that out first. And of course it's a Suicide Squad t-shirt, but let's have a closer look at it. Just gonna pull that out. Bam! There you go. That is what that looks like. It says Suicide Squad, and it is with the Funko Pop kind of shaped figures right there. Yeah. And it seems like this is very big. And I'm normally a medium, and yeah, this one is a large. So maybe they screwed something up with that, or did I screw something up? I can't even remember now. But this is a very big t-shirt with Suicide Squad. So there you go. And I'm gonna put that right there, and we're gonna see. Oh, there's something. Oh, it's the pamphlet. We're gonna wait with that. Put it down there, and we're gonna take out this wonderful figure right here. Wow, that is detailed. It is the Funko Pop Suicide Squad Enchantress, and exclusive to the Legion of Collectors box. But look at the details on that Funko Pop right there. That is crazy. And even look at the eyes. That looks amazing. That is very cool. And can I do like a front? That is awesome. And not a single scratch on the box. So that is cool. And whoa! If you're collecting this line, you have a lot of work to do, because it is huge. Look at all those. I'm not gonna name them all, but you can pause it. Hopefully at a time where it's actually focused. But there you got all the ones in that series, and the Enchantress down at the bottom. You can only get her through this box, I guess, so that's cool, and that is why I get these boxes. And lastly, oh no! Chewbacca! The box is empty now, and it is the comic book Suicide Squad with Harley Quinn standing there with 3 Joker cards, looking awesome, with her pinkish bluish hair and eye shade thing, and her goodnight bat and all the tattoos and all of that, and Adam Archer says on the background, and stuff and stuff and stuff and stuff and stuff. Yeah. Issue number 1. Alright. We're just gonna help Han Solo and Chewbacca get back there. There you go. Perfect. So, comic book, Funko Pop, T-shirt, 2 action figures. I don't hope we're going to see a lot of those in the box. Patch and the pin. And there we go. That is the July box of Legions of Collector Suicide Squad. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys next time. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to press the button that looks something like this. And also subscribe to the channel and be the first to know when the next video will be up. In the meantime, you can go watch some of my other videos. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Gemmer and Instagram. Just look down below. If you have any questions or you want to contact me, you can find all my personal information in the description below. I am the Danish Looter and I wish you a great day. Bye!